Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change your profile picture on Discord application. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, open up the Discord application on your smartphone and then make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're in the main home page, click on the U button at the bottom right corner. Now, go ahead and tap on Edit Profile. Click on your current profile picture on the top left. Now you can go ahead and upload a PNG or JPG image by tapping on Upload Image. Now allow Discord to access your device's photo library by tapping on either Allow Full Access or tapping on Limit Access. And then select a picture you want to add as your profile picture. Once selecting the picture, click on Choose at the bottom right, and there you have your picture uploaded. Now click on Save at the top right corner, and that's how you easily update or change your profile picture on Discord. You have successfully changed your profile picture in a few simple steps. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Wake&Tech, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out another tutorial from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.